Apply concealer all over your eyelid, right up as far as the eyebrow to form a base for your eyeshadow. Stretch the skin to prevent product buildup in the ridges. Draw an angular shape with your eyeliner pencil on the outer edge of the eyelid. With your pencil, draw an arc in the crease of the eyelid. Blend the pencil using a dome-shaped brush, keeping the brush in contact with the skin at all times. This is a reddish-toned brown eyeliner, which goes very well with blue eyes. This smoky look can be used with other colours too. Compare both eyes as you work to blend evenly. Apply a matching brown shadow on top of the eyeliner pencil using a small bullet brush. And this brown shadow will set the waxy pencil. Blend the upper edges of the crease using light brush pressure. Dampen your brush. Pat the lid with a dampened brush to give a hydrated look. Cover the edges with a clean brush to make it blend together. Highlight the brow bone with MAC Vanilla using a dry brush. Pat with fingertips as the warmth gives that luminosity. Now we're choosing a really chocolate brown for the winged eyeliner effect. It's about 2 shades darker than what we've used in the socket line. Using C4 Revolution, conceal any dark circles. Apply brown eyeliner pencil under the eyes. Blend the pencil with a flat brush. Then set the waxy pencil with a brown matching shadow. Put some dark chocolate brown on the outer edge of the under eye. Now apply the foundation using a loose bristle brush or a flat foundation brush. Buff the foundation with a clean dry brush to give it a more natural look. Add some contour with some matte bronzing powder. Using a soft pink blusher, add some colour to the cheeks. Add a little highlighter to the upper cheeks and the upper lip with the MAC Vanilla. I add a little bit of lip stain to the lips using a cotton bud. Finish off the look with a slick of mascara. And finally, mist with a setting spray to make the makeup last. And that's your spring-summer look complete.